Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with the with the fastest way and more user-friendly, which is connected with regular settings. And the second option is actually hidden in advanced options. So let's start by opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the software update. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our desired option. It is auto download over Wi-Fi. Make sure that it is marked so it is turned on. Just tap on it if it is not, and from now on you've got the automatic system updates applied. However, if you wish to do it using the advanced way, then go to About Tablet, which is at the very bottom of this list, left list, and then go to the software information. Now let's localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Of course, confirm everything with OK. And now in this left section, scroll down again to find developer options. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the option Auto Update System and tap on the switcher to activate it. And from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever the phone will be restarted, so you won't even notice that. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.